Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. On September 7, 2025, Blessed Carlo Acutis was finally canonized by Pope Leo XIV. The canonization process of Blessed Carlo Acutis, together with Prior Frassati, was attended by around 80,000 Catholics from various countries, including Carlo Acutis' parents. Even Carlo's younger brother became a lector at his brother's canonization mass. It was a truly beautiful and touching moment. It has been more than 18 years since Saint Carlo Acutis passed away, but his body remains intact to this day with a rosary necklace in his hand. All of this is due to the miracle of God who manifests his power through his saints. Saint Carlo Acutis is an inspiration and protector, especially for young people and digital journalists. He is also known as God's influencer because he successfully documented the miracles of the Eucharist in Catholic churches around the world and posted them on the website he created. Many people who accessed it became stronger in their faith, and Saint Carlo Acutis' work even led many people to convert to Catholicism, one of whom was Rajas Mohur. Rajas Mohur is the son of a prominent Hindu Brahmin, a religious leader in Mauritius. Mauritius is a country in East Africa with a Hindu majority. Mohur's father was even the leader of the Hindu Association in Mauritius. When he grew up, Rajas decided to go to Italy to find a better job. He was then accepted by Carlo's family in 1995 to help take care of Carlo, who was still a child at the time. Mohur saw Carlo as a little angel with an extraordinary kindness. Mohur often accompanied Carlo to watch Bible, cartoon, videos, and stories about the lives of saints. Mohur also accompanied little Carlo, who had just received his first communion, to church. Mohur watched from behind as Carlo prayed devoutly. Mohur helped take care of and raise Carlo. Every day, Carlo would often talk about heaven, Mass, and the real presence of Jesus in the Eucharist. Carlo was also very generous. He once sold his toys and gave the money to the poor. Carlo's childlike nature touched Mohur's heart, who was already an adult, to do more good deeds, and he became interested in learning about the Catholic faith. Carlo explained that the Eucharist is the source and summit of the Catholic faithful's life of faith, and that only those who have been baptized can receive it. Around 1990, Mohur, who was in his 30 years old at the time, was finally called to be baptized as a Catholic thanks to the preaching of the faith by Carlo, who was only about 8 years old. Mohur's mother then came to Italy to meet Mohur, who was working as Carlo Acutis' nanny. Carlo often sat in the kitchen with Mohur's mother. Carlo then liked to tell Mohur's mother about Jesus and the Catholic faith. Mohur's mother was not very familiar with Catholicism because Mauritius is a predominantly Hindu country, with Hindus making up 47% of the population. Catholicism is the second largest religion in Mauritius, with 28% of the population. Carlo then told her the story of the apparition of the Virgin Mary in Lourdes, France in 1858. Carlo's story of his Catholic faith moved Mohur's mother. Mohur's mother, who was Hindu, then went to Lourdes, and there she witnessed a true and real event of faith, namely the apparition of the Virgin Mary. Mohur's mother then returned to Mauritius. She then asked to be baptized as Catholic in one of the churches. Mohur's mother then became a religious Catholic, visiting the sick in Mauritius and praying with them with holy water from Lourdes. Mohur said that Carlo's testimony and example of life led to his and his mother's conversion to Catholicism from Hinduism. Not only Mohur and his mother, But several other people were also called to become Catholic, even after Carlos' death in 2006. Like several students at a Catholic school in Berlin, Germany, who were originally Lutheran, Protestant, and atheists, they were called to convert to Catholicism because of Carlo Acutis, according to the testimony of Father Michael Terror. My Catholic is awesome friend, holy, wonderful, and extraordinary. May the example of Saint Carlo Acutis' life be an inspiration of faith for all of us. Yes, Saint Carlo Acutis, patron saint of Catholic youth, digital evangelists, and the Catholic influencers, pray for us. Salve!